Another feature of Machine Sync is controlled traffic mode. If we go into Machine Sync, go into the advanced settings, we can choose whether we want controlled traffic mode on or not. If controlled traffic mode is on, we're simply going to run on an AB line selected for the field instead of running in direct relationship to the combine. So you'll need to pick the appropriate AB line and then use your shift track buttons or center track buttons to get them in the right position relative to the combine. We'll get into position. Then once we push resume with controlled traffic, it's simply just going to follow that AB line and then match speed to the combine. If I want to move side to side relative to the combine, I'll need to use my regular shift track buttons to move that line. It's kind of hard to tell that it's actually moving it, but each time I push left or right, it's moving it 1.5 inches. So a situation with controlled traffic mode, from the grain cart perspective, if you're dumping in a field, say shelling lands where you're dumping going both directions, say north and south, that AB line relationship to the combine will change. So you will need to reposition the line or drive underneath the auger and hit the center track button each time if you're dumping going both directions. So you would only need to shift it if you change the direction of travel, say from north to south. One main advantage of running in controlled traffic mode is because you are following an AB line instead of the path of the combine, your operation of Machine Sync will be much smoother and your front wheels will track much better. You'll get a lot less side to side, a lot less jumping around. You'll get that smooth nature of just following that AB line that's never moving versus trying to mimic the path of the combine side to side. So that one main advantage of controlled traffic mode is that smoothness of operation. Another benefit to running controlled traffic mode on a guidance line is if the system were to disengage, the machine will continue to follow the AB line instead of potentially veering off path either toward or away from the machine. A couple situations regular Machine Sync not running on controlled traffic mode works a little bit better would be when you're trying to follow curves. The tractor will continue to follow the path of the combine if the combine is, say, opening up an end row or you have a little bit of curve along a creek or something of that nature. Another place where controlled traffic mode off may work a little bit better is if you're dumping going both directions, say north and south. If you're shelling corn with a 12-row head, shelling lands, you wouldn't have to worry about recentering the AB line each time. When controlled traffic mode is off, it would continue to keep the same distance from the combine at all times.